So today I'm going to be talking to you about Java and using recursion. Now, what recursion is in Java a method calling upon itself to use itself. A common example of this in real life would be doing a factorial. Factorial is like you would put a number such as 6 and then an exclamation point, and what it does is it multiplies 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Now you can create a method in Java that would be using this, and it calls upon itself, which is recursion. Now here is this method for a factorial, and first you would pass in a integer. If the integer is equal to 1, it's just going to return a 1 because it's 1 times 1. When you do the recursion, it just brings back 1. If it is not equal to 1, it will do that passed in factor times that you passing in a integer minus 1. So if integer was 6, it would pass in a 5 then into itself again, and that would be inside of it. If you've ever seen the movie Inception, it's kind of like that, and it would keep going all the way through. So it'd be first 6 times 5, and then it would be multiply it times 4, and then 3, and then 2, and it would get back down to 1 and stop at 1. And then all of it would return 1, and it would return the 2 times 1 above that, and that would be 2, and then 2 times 3, and then it would be 3 times 2 is 6, and then 6 times 4, and then that times 5, and then that times 6 at the end. And that's a pretty common example of recursion that you'd see in your everyday life. I hope that helps you understand a little bit about recursion in Java. I'll be posting another video about a simple merge sort and how that uses recursion, as that is Java's main sort for things like arrays. So check back for that.